to the presiding officers, to our floor leader, and the rest of the UGB officers. No? So, with respect to the comments, when my friend messages is, so on that case, I only say that the changing of our rank, it is very hard to do it because it will be against our constitutional and bylaws. So the moment that we will change the rank of all officers in every branches, the constitutional and bylaws will be affected. So we can be able to change all the bylaws the moment that we can adopt the suggestion of my friend Mr. JS. So that is it.
With due respect, that issues has been referred to the appropriate committee at napupukan na yan, so ordered. PCJS Villasor, you are now recognized. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, since there are no other reactions, I would like to move the adjournment of this assembly.
There is a motion on the floor and duly seconded that this assembly be adjourned. But before that, on behalf of the UGB, presided or headed by our very own Universal President, the one and only Melvin Kuntapay, we would like to express our thanks and appreciation to each and everyone. Sa lahat ng mga delegates, lahat ng mga governors nandun sa Zoom for giving your time, efforts na makarating dito to make this third assembly a reality and a successful one. Since there are no other matters to be discussed, Majority Floor Leader, is there any other business? Because there is a pending motion and duly seconded. Otherwise, you will react or rebut that motion.
Mr. Chair, nothing on my column. Nothing on my column.
There being no other business to be discussed, this third Apex Assembly is hereby adjourned.